This is a brand new 2013 Ram 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, front seat belt height adjusters, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Oxmoor Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is conveniently located at 4520 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. Contact us to find out our financing specials or visit us at oxmoorchrysler.com. We have the largest selection of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles in the area. Call us today at 502-895-4520.